up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl with Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell another friend, tell a mama and them, they partners in them, because we live over here. Without further ado, y'all, I know I've been slacking and lacking. Y'all, school kicking my butt, work kicking my butt, being a fur mom kicking my butt. Nah, but y'all, I just been, school has really been kicking my butt. Everything else has just been the normal routine. If you hear any barking, Luna's downstairs playing with my mom and playing with ice. Because she has a fascination now with ice. So we put it on the floor and she kicks it around like it's a hockey puck. It's so cute. I didn't forget, y'all, I'm going to still do a video depending on when this come out. I'm going to still do a video of my experience of being a first-time mom, especially in my 30s. Stuff that's needed, where to shop, all the perks and stuff. Y'all know I got y'all. But in this video, it's going to be a combination of the Expressway, which is AliExpress, and DH, which is DHgate. So, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Y'all, this is my drink from Dunkin' Donuts. You gotta try it. It's their pineapple mango refresher lemonade. It tastes spicy, but it tastes good. It tastes real good. Y'all, don't laugh at me. I love Kangos. I actually have, hold on, I got it right. Hold on, it's falling over. Hold on, I actually, y'all, my ring light falling over. I actually have this Kango hat that I wear. It's so cute. It's a Scully, but it has like the furriness. It's so cute. Y'all, I've seen these on the DH. And I just like throwback stuff. Plus, I got some sneakers that look like this color. And y'all know me. I love a good old bucket hat. And I had to get these. Had to. Got it in the pink because I got some shoes that color. Got it in the gray. Kind of like a grayish blue. So I had somebody tell me that. They was like, well, you got your pimp hat on, talking about Kangos. Like, why do Kangos gotta be pimp hats? Like, no. It's just real. It's giving real proper, like, you know how we get down. Y'all know I love a good bucket hat. Y'all, I'm me feeling like LL Cool J. You know, back in the 80s and the 90s. So that's that. Once again, I'm from the DH. I go in there to get like all my designer dupe bucket hats and stuff because they're like reasonable prices. And I don't know what this is. So that's where I go on throwing stuff away as I go. Let's see. I can already tell what this stuff is. This is from the Expressway. Y'all know I love stickers. These are Courage the Cowardly Dog stickers. I seen something on social media. It said if you watch this as a kid, you're a psycho. I swear I love Courage the Cowardly Dog. What was it? Muriel and Eustace. Eustace couldn't stand that dog. Muriel, that was her baby. But y'all, I love watching that show. I even watching that with Luna. She be looking like, Mommy, what is this? What is this you got on TV? Her favorite show, y'all, she loves watching Bluey. She's addicted to it. So we be watching Bluey. Or she likes watching the screensaver on Roku when the cars is just driving past. She likes anything that just be making noise and moving. Y'all know I love Chucky. Seeing this, had to get it. It's a little coin purse that says Chucky. Eat your heart out, doll face. I love Chucky. Y'all know Chucky, Tiffany, Glenn, Glenda. I know all the characters. This is from the DH. I told y'all I love a good bucket hat. Had to get these. Y'all know the summertime. It's coming to be summertime fine. And y'all, I love a good bucket hat. So cute. Got it in black. In the regular brown monogram. It looked like it's gonna be pretty big for my cranium. If not, y'all know I'm gonna make it work. I probably can only wear these when my hair is down in a wrap. Thought these were cute. Especially when I'm having a bad hair day when I ain't do nothing to my hair. I just like to throw a bucket hat on. Y'all, I gotta show y'all Luna. I done taught her this thing. I be like, Debo coming. Debo coming. She started running, y'all. That's my baby. Y'all, this is from the DH. Y'all know I love the monogram. I had to get it, y'all. So cute. The Speedy monogram and the Murakami. Y'all, I'm so in love. You got the gold feet on the edges, on the corners. Got the pocket. Got the little thing where you can lock it close. Y'all, I just had to. I had to. That's from the DH. Got the gold hardware, and it comes with a purse strap and also the little tassel that can hang on the purse. What's this? Oh, this stuff has just been accumulating. I haven't had time to really do any unboxings. Cause school got your girl in a frenzy. It's almost summertime. Y'all know I got one more semester. I'm ready for it to be over. Like yesterday. Hold on, let me see what this is. It got my address on every part of it. Oh, these are nail charms from the Expressway. They're Coco Chanel pastel nail charms. Thought those were definitely cute and they were very reasonable. Let's see what's in here. We got one more thing to open after this. Oh, and this is just a bracelet. Y'all know I love gold bracelets with hearts. And then we got one last thing, and it's for Luna. Luna Duna. That's my baby. That's my baby. Ooh, mommy's almost done. Y'all, she looking at me at the bottom of the stairs like, you need to hurry up. So this little thing is Luna's. And y'all, it's a car seat cushion. Hold on, I gotta be very careful opening this. Cause I had actually seen this on somebody's Instagram page, like one of those boutiques, but you know, you gotta be careful ordering stuff off of Instagram boutique. So I had seen it on AliExpress, and I was like, oh, this is the exact same one. And it was around the exact same price too, so it's not like I was, you know, getting cheated or anything, or at a loss for price wise. So yeah, because when we be driving, she likes to sit in my lap, and I think it's because the seat is so low so she can't see outside. So I figured that if she has a chair that's a little bit, or a car seat that's higher where she can see it outside, then she'll sit in the passenger seat. But she still be sitting in my lap, looking at people walking around, looking at the lights, especially at nighttime. She loves looking at the lights. She loves it. But yeah, I got this car seat so it can match when I be wearing my little bucket hats. Cause y'all know, we got that LV carrier. That was for Lolo, but you know, Lola does not like, she don't like being confined into a space. Like, she wants to be able to get up and go when she wants. So Lolo was not feeling that. So now Luna uses it. And like when we go places, she stays in it. But when we in the car, she be like, Mommy, get me out of it now. So, hold on, y'all. It's like, babe, they made this into like a, look, it's like a hot dog. Child, if I can get it at. Dang. I don't know how. I'm gonna have to cut this out. Hold on, y'all. Yo, this is like really. Hold on, y'all. I'll be back. So yeah, y'all excuse the chucks. Y'all know I'm a fur mom. But this is the little car seat cushion. She could basically sit right here, and it's like leveled up enough where she can just chill. It matches my bucket hats, because y'all know I got a few Gucci hats and whatever. And I thought this was so cute. They had LV, Fendi, and also Christian Dior. And then they had like plain ones that didn't have any type of logos on it. But I thought this was so cute. And it came with like a leash where you could like clip on the side and put it to the seat and stuff like that. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all this. This is my mini haul. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.